So you're probably wondering, why did I select the Phoenix 215 frame from Quad Monsters for your first build? You've probably looked around and there's literally hundreds of very cool looking racing frames and freestyle frames, many of which are probably too advanced for your first build. So I want you to slow down. You should build those quads, but not for your first quad. Let's look at some things that make this very cool. One thing is, it includes most all the parts you need. Most kits don't even include the battery connector. They don't include the power distribution board. They don't include 3D printed custom parts that make the quad cooler and easier to build. This actually has very thick 4mm arms with a carbon fiber that's laid down in such a way that it makes them stronger. They've chamfered down the edges so they're not sharp. The puzzle connections, and we're going to go through this later, make it more sturdy. The bottom plate is also 3mm. Again, the carbon fiber weave, the way they've made this, makes it even stronger than most. I swear this is stronger than any frame you're going to get out of China from Banggood or GearBest or any of those. I mean, they got some nice frames, but they're not this level of quality. This is a premium frame. We've got all these 3D printed parts, well designed, strong, flexible, and it makes building the quad much faster and simpler. We have a custom power distribution board, which will regulate your power. Also very useful. And we have all these other little pieces. Again, so many pieces that are not included in 99% of the other kits. This is kind of the reason why I got this for you. I think this is going to be a great first build. I want you to have a great experience. And if you do have any problems, I want you to be able to get whatever parts you need to keep in the air, growing, having fun, and just getting the most out of your hobby and your time here with me. So let's get started on the next lesson.